Restore My Kicks 101 here, and today we'll be restoring white cements. Now, they're pretty beat up, creasing, paint chipping, Nike Air is fucked up, laces are dirty, scuff marks on the paint. We're going to be repainting these. Huge major paint chipping here. Bottoms are really dirty. Yeah, that's really dirty. So first thing you'd want to do, put in some professional shoe trees / stretchers, because as you can see, the longer you push in, the more it comes out, and it stretches out the shoes to be a perfect fit. Alright, so just put them in. And it takes out some creasing. If there's still creasing, you can use a different shoe tree that I'll have. First thing we'll be doing is taking off all the dirt from the shoe. It's pretty dirty. Scuff marks. By the way, this is a 100% horsehair brush. Kiwi. You can get that shit from shoecaresupplies.com. Just take off all dirt off. And what you'd want to do is clean up the leather. It's really dirty. One sec, let me get my magic eraser. Alright, drench your magic eraser in water. Make sure when you're done, you can soak some out that's left. And you just clean the leather. That's basically it. Get the elephant print too, it's fine. See how it's getting whiter? Do the same exact thing on the front. Get it all out. Make it look nice. Clean the elephant print. Clean the back. Basically clean it all. Now what you do, you take a dry cloth and you just brush it off. Well, not really brushing, but yeah. And what you'll want to do next is you'd want to get a 4-way leather conditioner. You'd want to open that up. One sec. that same exact cloth you brush the dirt off, just use a clean side, dip it in, should be like a creamy thing, and then just conditioner the leather. Make sure to open your tab down and clean here, because a lot of times it gets really dirty and worn off. You'd want to preserve it. And obviously when you're done conditioning the leather, just take the dry part of it and then just wipe it down, because it's a watery substance. And next thing you want to start on is repainting / just fixing up the shoe. One sec. And right now, you got your white paint for fixing that up, and you got your black paint for fixing that up. We're gonna start off with obviously the white paint since it's easy. Just open the bottle, and you don't even need to dip your paintbrush into water. Just do it. When you're painting, make sure your fingers are as close to the brush as possible, and then just paint over it. There's no needing to sand it down or strip the paint since it's